So hey you guys, welcome to the channel. And right now I'm standing in the extra room that I have in my apartment, and I'm gonna turn it into like my studio vanity setup area. And the first thing that I got for this was these Neewer ring lights, not ring lights, the Neewer SoftBox lights from Amazon. Came in this box, and I just really want to see if they're worth it. I got them on sale. I got both of them for like 45 bucks on Amazon when they were on sale. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox these and then show y'all the difference of no light, just with the ring light, just with the soft lights, and then with the ring light and the soft lights. Right now I just have my ring light on. So yeah, I'm going to open this up, put it together, and then we'll see the verdict on what's going on. It's open. You see this? I ain't open it. Ow! Girl! You see how big this light is? It's like big. Okay. It ain't got no directions in here, so I hope it's easy to put together. Okay, both lights are together. People be talking about they be opening it in the reviews and their lights be broke. No, they're broken. I'll be very upset. I don't know, y'all. This is like somebody done been playing with this. I hope not. I hope they ain't send me no refurbished. These boxes ain't new. It feels like somebody done opened these boxes before. Yeah, because like this one ain't even come in no bag. So somebody done went through these. I don't like refurbished. Now, I could have put it in a doggone bag for me now. Or that just says home. Oh, that I need to get this box up. That's strange. Let's see. Because I don't know. It's not like full refurbished things. Because it doesn't make shit on it. Maybe this is as far as it goes. Okay. One of these seems smaller. Listen to this. The softbox piece, like this piece that's supposed to be like the reflector, it don't even fit on there. Like this is not the right size. I'm genuinely confused. So I'm gonna try this one. Or if not, honey, I'm about to be pissed the hell off. Because what the hell? Who is sending shit that don't fit? Like, this one's like new. That shit was open. Like, girl, this don't make no type of sense. I don't like it. So you gotta push this piece down. Over it. So what I do is I push the center part down so you can put the light bulb in there. Like, what type of horse shit is this? No, ma'am. Because if this one fit, I'd be like, okay. This one don't look like it's gonna fit neither. Like, I'm genuinely getting confused. And they two different kinds. See, girl, these not even the same. Like, y'all gave me something that somebody had already opened. It's so hard to find good help. Like, girl, do your job. That's what you do. All that you gotta do is your job. And y'all can't do it. Like, I'm just genuinely confused. You know what I'm saying? I'm so confused as to why y'all sell ring thing, the light shit, and y'all shit don't fit. Am I not doing this right? This is why you need directions. Like, it's supposed to be squished it a little bit, a little squished it, a little squish, like that don't, girl, this don't make no type of sense, and I don't pay for bullshit now. Girl, this don't work. We have to get this, one of these, come on now, you got it. Maybe that's what oh, maybe. I don't think so, because this don't look right to me. Put that down. And then put that, okay. Like, maybe I think it's not supposed to be, like, perfect. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's just my OCD playing with me. Either way, that one was open already. Like, this one is new. Shit, you know what I mean? Make sure it works. Okay. Got that one. We're gonna try this one again because this ain't making no sense to me. This don't, I don't think this was going on here. I don't know. Either way, it's getting on my nerves. So let me back up so you can see. Does this look like it's gonna fit? Because it don't. Because it really don't look like it's gonna fit. And I was like, maybe it's supposed to be like squished in, maybe it's not supposed to be, I don't know. I've never had a box like before. I don't know what I'm doing. And it don't come in all directions. So how am I supposed to know what I'm supposed to be doing? I'm not. Okay, move this out my way. Look at this. Do this look like it's supposed to fit? No, this is like trying to put a little ass napkin on a paper plate. It don't work. It don't work. And y'all got to get on my nerves because I have to pay my money. And then I don't have to wait. Ain't nobody gonna be waiting. See, you see how long this is? Okay, got them edges. Look at all this extra. Okay. Okay, let me see. Maybe if I, but then it messes up this side. See? I have I can return it up to September 5th. But ain't nobody trying to do all of that, bro. Like, ain't nobody trying to do this because then I gotta take this one apart and put it back in the box and then put it back in the box and then I gotta go to the UPS store and send it back. Like, I'm really about to get irritated. Y'all gonna be like, well, maybe if you turn it. Well, since you know so doggone much, I already did that and it don't work. It's like it's too big or something. Like this don't fit on here. Like it just don't. There ain't nothing I can do about it to make this fit. Nothing at all. I'm gonna have to send this whole thing back. Are you serious? Because it's gonna fit. Like, first of all, the box was already open. Oh, here. Like, they're not even the same pieces. They're not even the same size. No, they are not. This one is significantly bigger. Let me see. Like this clearly does not go with this. Oh, I know it's that thing. Cause like, this won't fit on this one. No ma'am, don't buy this. So, I'm right back in the box. That is my review. Don't buy this. Don't buy this. Go buy the Fidgetware, Figureware, Firmware or something. But don't buy this Neewer softbox set because it's a waste of time. And do you see how irritated I am? Do you want to be irritated by me? Like, do you want to be irritated like me? Do you want to be irritated like me? Okay, so don't buy it. Bye. Okay, so I went on Amazon to see what I gotta do to get this like returned, to get my money back. And it's talking about if you want to get it replaced, that's free. But if you want to return it, you gotta pay for shipping. So because y'all messed up, I gotta pay more money. So I'm gonna just let them replace it. But if it come back again and it ain't right, it's gonna be a problem. And that's just that. So I'll be back with an update at some point, I guess. I don't know. It's just a lot right now. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna give y'all honest reviews because who has time for BS? So make sure that y'all subscribe to my channel if you want to, like the video, comment, do all that stuff that I'm supposed to tell y'all to do. If you do it, great. If you don't, well, I can't do nothing about it. So yes, I'll be back with another video. And if it comes back right, I'll let y'all know, but no, as of right now, it's a no. It's a no.